If you've been trying to download GTA Vice City on your laptop but aren't sure which website to trust, this video is for you. I'll guide you through the official download process step by step, making installation quick, safe, and easy. Let's begin. Now, open Google Chrome and search for GTA Vice City. Click on the official Rockstar Games website link in the search results. Here is a critical warning. Always check for rockstargames.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. On the GTA Vice City page, click the Buy Now button on the left. You'll be redirected to the GTA Trilogy. The Definitive Edition page, since Vice City, GTA 3, and GTA San Andreas are sold together as a bundle. Here is a quick heads up. You are actually getting 3 games for the price of 1, so it's a great deal. Choose PC or your preferred platform like PS5, Xbox, and click Buy Now. Here is a common mistake. Accidentally picking a console version means you won't be able to play on your computer. Sign in with your Rockstar Games account, complete the purchase, and install the game directly from your library once added.